Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights and an active internet connection. Once you have them, open services by pressing Win plus R, typing services, MSC, and hitting Enter. Locate the Online Troubleshooting Service entry or Windows problem reporting if online troubleshooting isn't visible. Make sure related services like Network Location Awareness and Windows Update are set to manual or automatic so dependencies will start. If a service is disabled, change its startup type now, then click Apply. This begins the enabling process and prepares the system for configuration changes. With the service visible, double-click it and set startup type to manual or automatic depending on your environment. This controls when the service runs. Next, go to the Logon tab and choose Local System or Network Service if corporate policy permits. Make sure credentials align with domain policy. Once done, open Windows Defender Firewall, create an outbound rule allowing app or port 443 for secure troubleshooting calls, and verify group policy does not block diagnostics. These steps ensure the service can start and communicate externally. Start the online troubleshooting service now and run built-in troubleshooters from settings to confirm connectivity. Once running, observe network activity to verify outbound HTTPS calls. If the service stops or fails to start, restart the PC and recheck dependency services and firewall rules. Make sure Windows Update is healthy because some troubleshooters use update components. If things still go wrong, run sfc/scano and check Event Viewer application and system logs for specific error codes. That will point you to permission or dependency failures to correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.